Friends of How to Grow. In this video I will show you how you can grow an avocado tree from seed. Let's do this. Step number 1. Collect the seed. Step number 2. Clean the skin of the seed. Step number 3. After a few days, the skin has become dry. Remove it, helping yourself with a toothpick. Now, I have divided step 4 in A and B. Step 4A is the method with the toothpicks in the glass, and step 4B is the method of the seed in the soil. Step 4A is to choose in the case the temperature outdoor is above 20 Celsius degrees, which is equivalent to 68 Fahrenheit. On the other hand, if the temperature outside is below 20 Celsius, 68 Fahrenheit, I strongly suggest to sow the seed in soil. But of course, you can do as you wish. You could potentially also sow the seed in soil if the temperature outside is above 20 degrees. If you use the method of the toothpicks in a glass and your seed doesn't sprout, this might be due to one of these 5 reasons that I've summarized in this video. And if you're wondering, okay, but what do you use? I plant like 95% of my avocado pit in soil. The remaining 5% is just because toothpicks in a glass is more attractive, it's cool. Let's be honest with ourselves. We like to see the roots. Now something that you would really like. I thought it might be useful to have a table summarizing the most known types of avocado that we know so far. And you need to remember that each seed has a specific genetic code. So when you plant a new avocado seed, this seed will produce a plant, a tree, that has a genetic code that is different from any other tree of the world. Well, the one we have in the supermarket, they actually have all the same genetic code because they come from the same grafted tree, which usually is a nut. I really hope that this video has been useful and you will be able to grow your own avocado. And I hope that after 8 months will look something like this. In some time I will give an update on how I reported this one, and also I will show I will grow in the next months. At the moment it's doing very well, and as always, if you want to keep up with the How to Grow series, click on the orange icon here in the corner. See you soon.